Penelope.
And Harley.
And she's my and she's my cousin. We're having a sleepover today. And we got
Not
ice
your
cream.
cousin.
Yes, she is. And then we got ice cream from the ice cream truck. But she got ice cream. She ate it already. She got cookie ice cream.
And I got these.
No, a chip witch. A chip witch.
And then I got this new bubble gum. Yeah, that way. And then I also got this. Yeah.
And comment down below if you ever saw Mamma Mia, Here We Go Again, because I really want to see it.
And subscribe to this video and give me a like. We're trying to get 1,000.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
You know we're on the video, right? And yeah, we'll be back with the gum open. Yeah. Okay, we're back, and I opened the bubble gum. So I think I got the mystery blue. I'll be back with the gum open again. Okay, we're back. I got the gum open, and instead of pink, I got blue. That's good news. Let me try this. This is soft. How did you do that? You just burned it. What? It's like cotton candy. Well, that actually tastes like I'm chewing cotton candy.
Stop, you're in the middle of a video.
I got it. You want a taste?
Sure. After this.
Okay, we'll be back with the
Video.
the push pop open.
I got a push pop.
Okay, it's open. That's good. Okay, bye.
No!